Follow the steps on how to create an effect like this in Photoshop. Let's start by opening the image. First, use the Quick Selection tool to select the object. Use a square bracket to adjust the brush size. Next, duplicate the selected area with Ctrl+J. Select the background layer and add black and white. You can choose one of the presets available here. Finished, and good luck. Thank you for watching until the end. If there is something you don't understand, write a comment below. Click like for support and activate the notification bell to get the next video update.